see, we got 3 bolts right here with the charge spot. Injector seized up in there. You gotta wiggle it a little bit. You gotta move it back and forth. So if you notice, I can't move this one. Take a little turning. Once you move it back and forth, it'll loosen up. It should loosen up enough to where you can get it out. And I just gotta wiggle it back and forth until it loosens up. Not to break it. And see, you see where it deposited in there. Oh man, this thing is a misfire cylinder 3. Cylinder 3. You can see where the deposit build up in there. Yeah. Deposit build up. Replacing with genuine Honda injectors. Come sealed up. Nice and clean, no deposit. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in, and yeah, that's it.